If your dog runs out and is hit by another car, technically you are responsible for the damage to that car.
What if you don't know who the dog belongs to?
It kind of almost acts like a deer.
So what happens if a client's dog runs out in the road and someone on their bicycle hits them and is injured, or someone hits it with, if it's a big dog and they hit it with their car and they have damage to their car? How does coverage work for that?
Yeah, that's always tough, because obviously you have the sentimental piece where it's somebody's dog, but it is also their property. And so you're responsible for your property. So if your dog runs out and is hit by another car, technically you are responsible for the damage to that car. There are other factors that come into play. You know, how fast were they going? Were they speeding excessively? But a lot of times, if that animal runs out into the road and causes damage, you're responsible for that. It's a tough situation.
What if you don't know who the dog belongs to?
Yeah, then if you don't know, it kind of almost acts like a deer. Like if a deer runs out in front of you, you hit that deer, it's a comp claim. Nobody has control of that, so it's not a collision claim, it is a comp claim. But that is something that does come up.
Yeah, and then in the bike situation, obviously you're more likely to be personally injured than in a car. So it would actually fall under the person's homeowner's insurance if you're injured by their pet that ran out in the road and you hit it. So just something that people need to think of and be aware of, you know, keeping your pets on your property. And
yeah, we've had that happen before. I mean, somebody, their dog ran out and then their medical paid. So a lot of people don't think about that when they own a pet, just like if your dog bites someone.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
If you're bitten,
your home insurance is going to pay for it as well. They won't exclude that, because a lot of people ask, like, well, why is my dog on, you know, what does it matter what type of dog I have? Well, it's not always if the dog is known to bite, but if that breed of dog bites someone, the amount of damage it causes. So there are a couple of companies out there that will exclude that, but for the most part, a lot of companies will just have a list of dog breeds that they'll exclude because they could cause damage. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content we provided today, click right here and watch some more.